Hello. Good evening,
Hello, ma'am.
Partho.
Good evening, ma'am.
Tell us something about yourself.
Uh, so, my name is Partho Kumbhakar.
Hmm.
I am a PhD student and I am
Okay.
from West Bengal, but currently living in Mohali. I've been attending this spoken English class since last 3 months.
Okay. So, Partho, how was your experience with the spoken English classes?
My experience has been great. The classes are enjoyable and fun. By that I mean, uh, I like the style of teaching of Rohini ma'am, and the environment of the classes are also good. Thanks to Rohini ma'am, she is very kind and friendly to us. Also, the assignments and activities are fun to do.
Okay, that's great. So, which activity you like the most?
Uh, so first of all, I think I liked all those activities we did in the classes. The
Hmm.
most would be storytelling and picture description. So I like sharing my point of view on the topic of those activities, and particularly picture description. I liked it so much that I even now, if I see some meaningful picture on social media, I try to describe it by myself.
Okay, okay, nice. Partho, what motivated you to join these spoken English classes?
So as I told you, I like all those activities,
Hmm.
and uh, the the topic of those activities are also interesting, and I learn a lot of things from those activities. Uh,
Hmm.
and so I had good classmates also. So I
Okay,
think that's why uh, that motivates me joining class every day.
okay. Last question for you, Partho, is that what are the changes you feel in yourself and in your personality?
Okay. So I think I am more confident than ever before uh, in when when speaking to someone in English. Uh,
Okay.
I hesitate less to speak to others, uh, and as you know, I am a student, and I often need to speak to my advisor or other professor. So
Mm-hmm.
before this class, I was a bit worried that how respectful I am while talking in English to them. So I think I overcome that fear now.
Okay, that's really nice, Partho. All the
Thank,
best
thank
and
you,
thank you. Thank you for your time.
thank you. Okay.